reviewing C-Team Mechanical Style Gear Elements Wall Clock. For the amount of gears that are moving, it's actually a very silent clock. When I received this, it was mostly put together. The only thing that you have to do is the large hour gear that goes all the way around. You have to put together. It's in like 4 pieces and you just snap them and it's very easy. The 2 smaller gears, the one that's on the left represents the month and the one that's on the right is your date. The clock takes 2 D-size batteries that are not included. Also, you will need a screw and anchor because that's not included to hang it. The inside workings are metal gears, but everything else is plastic. It would be very heavy if not. When you're installing this, the time as well as the day gears basically hang there. So you might think that you have it in the wrong location, but it does hang. I like this clock a lot. It's got a very steampunk vibe to it. I've always loved clocks and especially the gears, so this was definitely a perfect novelty clock for me. I haven't had any issues with it. I hope this gives you a better idea of their product. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.